They have no idea that this is happening. We're all gonna yell surprise when they open the door.
Go answer the door.
They're in black.
You too.
Wait, yeah, why are they in black?
Surprise! No, you've been nominated for a makeover!
I got dressed. I was like, who's at the door? I was looking at the camera. He's like, oh, come on in.
Congratulations, you must be Brett.
Yes, ma'am.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Hi, Paige.
Hi, Paige. Nice to meet you.
Today we are celebrating Military Spouse Appreciation Day, honoring those who support us behind the scenes.
And we don't often get to meet the people who nominate the amazing families that we get to surprise with makeovers, but this time we actually did. So let's hear it from them why they nominated this military spouse.
My name is Johnny Vargas. I'm an active duty service member. Been in for 13 years now. Father of 4, husband to 1. I nominated Paige Hughes, wife to Brett Hughes. They have 2 lovely kids and some pets. I nominated Paige because she is just such a light. Essentially everything she does in her life, her personal life and her professional life, is to benefit other people. It's not about herself, about how far can she reach. Her home office is just kind of torn up right now. It's over some concrete. I think it's really important to feel good in her space, especially if she's doing work that's supposed to help other people. I can't think of many people that would deserve it more than her.
I've been in the Army 12 years. I joined the Army because having multiple family members that were also in the military, they told me that the Army had the best opportunities for me to pick what job I wanted, go where I want to go, explore more things.
If there was one thing I could say about Brett's service is how proud I am of Brett, that he continues to show up and show out for everybody, not just his family, but he's passionate about his soldiers. He wants to see them succeed, and he's proud to serve his country.
She's always been my biggest supporter. I couldn't have done anything near what I've done today.
The first word that comes to my mind is worth it. He's defending our country. He joined at a young age for a purpose, and I'm able to support him fulfilling that purpose. So I would say worth it. I think the military life it's been hard. It's been so hard. We've made a lot of sacrifices, but ultimately it's shaped our adult life and made us into who we are now. And I would say worth it for me. I mean, other words too, but worth it just comes to mind first.
I think it's amazing that she's also helping out with mental health and with the military.
I chose the military population because of my husband. He comes home, he's stressed. He talks about his younger soldiers who are struggling. He's had a couple instances where he's had soldiers who are going through a crisis, and I want to help, because if I can help one person who's out in the field or out with their family or with their soldiers, then I feel like that's a win for sure. My office doubling as a pantry, an office, a landing spot for all of our things, the kids' toys. It's very chaotic, and I'm already a little chaotic personally. And so when my space isn't clear, it's harder for me to remain focused on task. I'm excited to be able to go into a space that's designed for a multi-purpose room. I love that you guys know me so well that you're like, it's multifunctional. That's a very respectful way to put it, thank you.
They say happy wife, happy life. They mean that very seriously. So as long as she's happy, I'm gonna be happy.
He's in it, he's in it.
I've been a military spouse for over 20 years, and through that 20 years, I've been able to experience the highs and the lows. One of the challenges that many military spouses will face is going to be in employment. That's either unemployment or underemployment. It could be a struggle of finding employment in office versus remote. And it was in 2018 that New Res gave me a chance. They gave me a chance of using my education, my experience. And so I understand the importance and I understand what that takes. It makes me feel really proud to know that New Res is an organization that's intentional on how they serve military families. They see military spouses, they see military children, they see military service members and veterans and the whole family unit. And so it makes me really proud that we recognize the need of military spouses and that we're able to give back in an intentional way that's going to make an impact not only to the military spouse, but the family as a whole.
There's a lot going on,
There is, yeah.
but I see potential.
Yay!
I see a lot of
I appreciate
potential
you
in
saying
this
that.
space.
There's always
Yes,
potential.
there is. But it's multi-purpose, so it's your pantry,
Mhm.
it's your home office,
Mhm.
it's your family command center,
Mhm.
and we just need to make it work.
First on the plan, new floors. Let's go.
We're gonna pick out the floors so we
Yay!
can get rid of the concrete. Yes, so
Yes, come on.
we're gonna look at some different samples, some lighters, some darkers. Let's see what we're gonna find. Oh, thank you, dear. I appreciate you.
Good call.
Thank you, thank you.
And take a look at some of the floors. Hey, John, nice to see you.
Howdy, how you doing?
Good, thanks for having us. The existing floor is a dark tile, so I think we want to go with something maybe a little lighter for contrast. Which one would you pick? Okay, sounds good.
In the front, I like it.
Let's.
Oh, they're heavy.
All right, so let's take them over to the table and see what we've got.
Texas HomePro, we do anything you have to do with a home. We do interiors and exteriors, a lot of whole home renovations. We do home additions, flooring, kitchens, bathrooms, cabinet, countertops even. We do a lot of roofing, fencing, stuff like that as well. Texas HomePro does a lot with veterans. We employ a lot of veterans here inside of our organization, and we like to find ways that we can really help our community. We like to, give back whenever we can.
Our trip to Texas HomePro started out with the home office in mind, but once they learned the kids' rooms needed help as well, they immediately stepped in. No hesitation, just generosity. It's moments like this that reminds us it takes a community to make something truly special happen.
Good floor changes everything. I mean, I agree. Opens up the
Warm.
space, it's warm, it's welcoming.
And I think it's a great contrast with the existing floor in the house. That's
Yeah.
darker, this is lighter. So it looks intentional.
I like the
and not
transition.
forced. Yeah. So as you can see, there is a lot going on in this space. This is the plan. I want to give it the look of a built-in without actual built-ins. So we have a series of bookcases and putting the wicker baskets. And I like the storage on the bottom because it's closed storage. They can put boxes. They'll be able to have all of their pantry staples nicely nestled into wicker baskets. Paige said she really liked neutral. I think green is a neutral, and we're gonna go with this one. It's light, it's bright, and I think it's gonna make a great contrast with the furniture selection. Are you wearing that to paint?
No, I'm wearing this. You're wearing that.
Paige said that she really wanted a calm office space, so I chose Halcyon by Sherwin Williams. It's a nod to vintage interiors, and it's really calming, kind of like that sea glass color, a little blue, a little green. What do you guys think?
Here's a pro tip. Using the American Furniture Warehouse 3D Room Planner, it lets you measure your space and place in the furniture virtually. And because all the furniture is to scale, you know it's gonna fit perfectly. Takes out all the guesswork.
I like this. This piece is all self-contained, keeps her very organized. She goes to one place, we'll get everything that she needs. I kind of love that. Pantry, this doubles as an office and a food pantry, so we can have all of her things stored nicely. Yes! Will it close? No. I am so excited about this. This is like their command central.
And I get to hang it.
You do. You wanna take the honors? Open. Here you go. No, tab and open. We're unboxing.
Huzzah!
Busy families need smart solutions, so let me put you onto this Skylight Calendar. It brings everyone's schedules together in one easy-to-read display. From daily routines to big events, it keeps everything organized and running smoothly. Less chaos, more connection.
Don't be afraid.
And the guy's like, is
Don't
this
be
a new
afraid.
unit?
Fun fact, Patrick never takes the plastic off his electronics. So yeah, this moment, absolute bravery.
I love that it's magnetic.
This is my favorite part. Right as we're finishing up and before the family arrives, I hang the American flag. We save it for last because it should be the first thing the family sees. For a family that's served our country, the flag means something deeper. It represents sacrifice, the willingness to give everything in defense of our nation, and it stands for freedom that we all get to live every day. That's why this moment matters.
All right, here we go. The big moment is finally here. The space is finished, every detail is in place, and the family is just minutes away. We put so much heart into this transformation, and now we finally get to share it with them. There is nothing like that first reaction, that moment when it all becomes real.
I want to remind you what it looked like before.
A lot going on.
No,
All the things, the dog crate.
Yes. So, last one. And you remember it was a concrete floor.
Yes.
That is now purple.
It's fine.
Okay, good.
I'm
I'm glad.
excited.
I am so glad. Great. So you guys ready to go see it?
No.
You ready?
I mean, yes, but no.
Okay, here we go. Okay, we hope you love the space. Getting out of the way. Open your eyes. Open your eyes.
Oh my gosh! What? This is crazy! Oh my gosh!
So it's an office.
As it should be. This looks amazing.
It's a pantry.
Oh my god.
It has all of the things that you had before in here.
Oh my
Yes.
gosh.
All things organized. This is a command center. This will change your life. This will change your life. One of the best things on here is kids' chores and reward systems. Thank you all for watching this episode of Moving with the Military.
That's a wrap.
That's a wrap! Woo! Yes. So.
Everything in here is beautiful.
This because he nominated you.
This is magical. This is beautiful. We are so grateful.